In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from your Robinhood account using their website. The process is quite straightforward, but I'll walk you through each step so you can be sure your funds make it safely to your bank account. First, start by logging into your Robinhood account on the official website. Make sure your internet connection is secure and, for your own protection, never enter your Robinhood login details anywhere except the official site. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where you can see an overview of your portfolio and recent activity. Next, look towards the upper or lower right-hand corner of the page for the account icon. This usually looks like a little silhouette or a circle representing your profile. Go ahead and click on that icon. This action will open up a list of options or a menu related to your account settings. From the menu, find and select the Transfers option. This section is specifically dedicated to handling deposits and withdrawals between your Robinhood account and your external bank accounts. Once you're in the Transfers page, you'll notice several options for moving your money. Now, click on the option labeled Transfer to Bank. This is the route you'll take to initiate a withdrawal from Robinhood to your checking or savings account. If you have multiple accounts linked, you'll be prompted to choose which bank account you'd like to send the funds to. If you've already set this up in the past, simply select the desired account. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you may need to add one before proceeding, but for most users, the information will already be on file. After you've selected the correct bank account, it's time to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Double-check the number to make sure you transfer the correct amount. Remember, it's important to verify that you have enough buying power or settled funds in your Robinhood account to cover the withdrawal, as unsettled funds or recent trades might delay the process. Once you're satisfied with the bank account selection and the withdrawal amount, click the Review button. This gives you one last opportunity to check all the details and make sure everything is accurate. If everything looks good, confirm the transfer by clicking Submit. That's all there is to it. Your withdrawal request will now be processed and the funds should arrive in your bank account within a few business days, depending on your bank's processing times. Be sure to monitor your email or Robinhood notifications for confirmation and updates regarding your transfer. And there you have it. Withdrawing your money from Robinhood is easy once you know where to look and what steps to follow. If you want more helpful tips on managing your investment accounts, don't forget to check out our other videos.